Take it serious. You guys are delirious.
Crazy killers.
Delicious.
Hey, hold
Crazy killers. I love vanilla.
Okay.
Hate chocolate in my goddamn ice cream and shit.
Listen.
Word.
Love vanilla cake, cupcake.
Me too.
3 real niggas, man, rapping to a slow beat. Bubblicious P, who's karate with an OG. All my niggas play me straight, never fucking own me. Never tripping off a bitch, we're worried about a homie. Fuck all you pussy niggas, you don't see this crime. Fuck with me on a bar, next the other two are riding. 3 crazy white boys, we don't take no shit, bitch. Go ahead and fuck around, we'll stomp their ass out real quick.
Me, Chris Herman, ain't worried about a nigga. Rather throw fists and pop and pulling triggers. All you niggas fake. Come over on my level. Pussy niggas square, just like Fruity Pebbles. Me, Bubblicious P, hers up on the track. Better watch your mouth, better yet, watch your back. I ain't riding solo. Got 2 niggas on my side. You see us on the street, fuck with us, you better hide. You know I'm superficial, it's official, blow the whistle. Run your mouth again, I guarantee you'll get a fistful.
These bitches looking at us wow, looking at us up and down. I know they be flirting, getting nervous, had to knock them out. All my niggas come first, that's how the fuck it gon' be. All my niggas riding cause I know they are my homie.
Bars.
Bars.
Get 'em. Loves that shit.